Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have conjugated cyclohexanone. You reacting with sodium borohydride methanol and sodium borohydride cerium chloride. Only difference in the supporting agent. You should find what difference it can make. Basically, the reaction is about chemoselectivity, whether alkene will reduce or carbonyl will reduce. Sodium borohydride methanol goes through simple pathway, which is 1,4 addition. You can call it Michael addition also. So attack happen in the fourth position. You are migrating the electron O minus. O minus quenched by H plus. You have enol. If you draw properly, you have ketone. So 3,4 hydrogen is there. Only alkene is reduced. If you use cerium chloride can activate the carbonyl, make carbonyl more reactive. So only reduction happen at 1,2 position. So both different reagent create different reactivity. 1,4 addition and 1,2 addition. The concept you outline here is metal can activate the carbonyl, make it more reactive. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.